What it is, and if you don't pause the video right now, just make sure to turn on the video and smash that like button, man. Back on another video, back on another banger, man. This time we got Wiz Khalifa and MGK on the same track. This video already is giving me vibes of like the 2000s ever mixed with a little bit of 90s, but MGK has been snapping lately. Let's get into it. Girl Next Door.
Hey, Chill Rock, what the fuck you on, nigga?
Let's go. Sounds good, real good.
Still painting his goddamn nails, I see, but that's got to become a normal thing. Like, you even had that one dude that used to play on the Sixers. I don't know what team he play on now.
Yup. Yeah. Right. Hey, what's happening? We was in the race, we lapped them. Let our feelings go, we didn't trap them. I was gone at first, but now I'm back again. You like action, we had a lot of baggage, we packed them. We went all the way, so you wanna stay. No one's perfect here, we all make mistakes. Can't change the past, but we have right now. Let's get over ourselves, be grown about it and talk it out. Live for the moment, let's change the vibe now. Heard them say that we wouldn't make it, now we prove them wrong when they did.
Yo, they so high, like, yo, dog, that shit look like us on there, dog. Dog, it's crazy. They about to come over and try to lay down on them hoes. I ain't even go front.
Change the vibe now. Heard them say that we wouldn't make it, now we prove them wrong when they doubt. I keep on running, running like I'm in a...
Game plan, muscles, house with a pool, lawn care, gardening, clean home, cats, talk to them. Y'all could have went dogs on them puppies, like, and walk the puppies. They know females love a nigga with a dog.
I'm missing, I'm on.
He said we already got muscle, bro. We good.
But every second I waste, I'm pushing harder. I'm going out for first place. Keep you from running. Keep you from running away. I felt love come near me, then you run away. I felt love come near me, then you run away.
That shit was turf. He about to cut turf outside. They doing gardening work. Like, they trying to make it look like, you mean, they trying to get themselves like a sexy type vibe. No diddy. Like, had it, you mean?
I felt love come near me, then you run away.
I know it's wrong, but you bad, it got me acting right. Daydreaming about you, so I want that. Hey, let's make a movie, me and you under the flashing lights. Crazy kind, you know that's my type. Show 'em what's the real action like. She's independent, no, and plus she naughty by nature. You know I like.
Nah, the naughty by nature. I like the scheme. That's nice. This is giving like 2000 pop era type shit. Even Wiz, like Wiz shit was like his regular rap shit, but he gave 2000 to ever.
Action like. She's independent, no major, and plus she naughty by nature. You know I like to burn rolls of money, and I like to roll and burn papers. And I know you off for work later, so I'm texting you to come through. Top floor, no neighbors, only thing missing is you.
Top floor, no neighbors, only thing that's missing is you.
Put your feet up, paint my initials on your toes. You a diva, but for me you acting like a hoe. Aquafina, I can see you dripping through your clothes. Need a re-up, one night stands, I get.
Yo, he try to show up so fucking bad. Cat clawed the shit out of his neck. And then they probably falling for it. Like, he's so fucking funny. My God. The one white one, he's so hilarious. The black one, he has the nice dreads. He's always high and smiling with the grill. Oh, peep game, though. The 420 on the mailbox.
Then you run away. I felt love come near me, then you run away.
So I feel love come near me, then you run away. I know that feeling, man. These bitches love to run from love. They be like, I want somebody to love me, do this, that, and the third. Bitch, you're lying. He ain't got the boombox back in the day, but they got the modern day Bluetooth boombox. See that?
Don't wait, I want you right now. All day, sun up to sundown.
Always loud so you know it's me. Standing in the crowd but you notice me.
Always loud so you know it's me. You know he not talking about being loud vocally. He talking about that Pacquiao.
Up to sundown.
Always loud so you know it's me. Standing in the crowd but you notice me. In your heart's where I hope to be, and right next to you is where I'm supposed to be.
Signature Wiz laugh.
Hey, let's go. Lord, like, you know what I mean? God give it to him. It's a gift, right?
Yeah, Wiz, let's take her back to the blog era one on time.
Howdy.
Sorry, boys. We're gay.
2000s era is better than this new generation with this fucking lesbian, gay, fucking elemental P motherfuckers, dog.
Oh, the Subaru.
Right, shit. Okay.
I know those guys didn't get bitches.
What?
We doing Salisbury steaks tonight or what?
I know they ain't getting.
How you guys doing? HOA here. Hey, do that toe thing again. Lesbians, nice.
Damn. Listen, man, if you guys enjoyed that, drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. We are going back to see where Zay is at. What the fuck is this glitter shit on my eyes? I keep saying.